We consume one bottle of 500 grams of peanut butter in a week, enjoying it on bread, porridge, smoothies, and as a quick healthy snack throughout the day.
As a peanut lover, we want to know how cheap, easy and tasty to make it our own using our trusty KitchenAid food grinder, this one.
Firstly, I went to Dong Xuan Market, a bustling marketplace in Hanoi, Vietnam, known for its extensive selection of goods. Here, I bought 10 kilograms of raw peanuts for around $22.
That is a lot of peanut, I must admit, because we eat a lot of peanuts. We're gonna make peanut butter. I hope it will work. That is 500,000 dong notes. Foreign 50.
Có 40.000 à? Đấy.
Có
cho chị. Đấy.
We placed 2 trays of raw peanuts in a preheat oven at 150 degrees Celsius and roasted them for 20-30 minutes until their skin turned dark red. Then we allow them to cool down for about 10 minutes. During this time, we assemble the food grinder attachment on our KitchenAid. Once the food grinder was set up, the peanuts had cooled down and their skin were peeled. We were ready to grind. Turn the KitchenAid food grinder on low, level 1 or 2, and gradually added the peanuts, grinding for 2 to 3 minutes while scraping down the sides as needed. Continue grinding until the peanuts reach a smooth and creamy consistency, which may take up to 5 minutes depending on the quantity. Please note that the KitchenAid should not be run continuously for more than 5 minutes to prevent the overheating. Allow it to cool down for a few minutes before resuming grinding. For a second grind, we added 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You could add honey and vegetable oils as an optional and grind for another minute. We tasted and adjusted the seasonings to our liking. So after crafting our own homemade peanut butter, we store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. In my case, I just use old jars of peanut butter, ensuring its freshness for up to 2 weeks. We were delighted with how easy, affordable, and tasty our homemade peanut butter turned out to be. My wife and kids love its texture and rich flavor. At the cost of approximately $1 to fill a 500-gram jar, it's significantly cheaper than the $4 we would have paid at the store for a cheaper, less fresh homemade option.
Making your own peanut butter is worthwhile.
You'll not only enjoy making a delicious homemade product,
you will also save money in the process and know what to put in it. Thank you for watching.